وَإِنَّ الَّذِينَ أُورِثُوا الْكِتَابَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ مُرِيبٍ. He said there's no doubt about it that the people who inherited the book after them, who were given the book in inheritance after them, أُورِثُوا الْكِتَابَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ. Think about this for a moment. They're basically the next generation of Muslims is what he's saying, right? The next generation of Muslims. But how is he saying it? He's saying the people who inherited the religion from the first generation who was obsessed with disagreement and territory. So what kind of religion would the next generation learn? You understand? What they saw their elders do and the way they saw them pursue the religion was so ugly, it was so disfigured, because the religion is supposed to be something beautiful. It produces harmony in society. It produces unity inside the ummah. It produces ashidda ala al-kuffar ruhama baynahum. That's what it produces. It produced the opposite. And then there's a new generation that learned the religion from the people of Tafarruq. That's the new generation. Now, what does he say about this new generation? They see the ugliness of what they were handed down. Now they don't see the book as something beautiful. They don't see the religion as something beautiful. They actually see it as something hideous. So you know what they do? This next generation, لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ. They're in doubt about it. The next generation starts doubting the religion itself. Subhanallah. What a horrible price to pay for that crime. Here you have people that are learning, and they are the reason. The learned people in this ayah, this is the scariest reality, mind-blowing, and I'm not saying this is Allah saying it. The knowledgeable in a certain generation are the reason a next generation is losing their faith. That's the wild reality. You know, I said in the beginning, there are some goods that will always be good no matter what society, no matter what century, no matter what era. This is one of those failures in humanity that will always be true. When a certain generation is obsessed with conflict and disagreement for the wrong reasons and in the wrong way, then the next generation will be doubtful about the faith to begin with. Will be doubtful about the faith to begin with.